In this video, I'll show you how I clean this paintbrush that has oil-based paint on it. I'm priming my garage right now to just paint it all flat white color. I'm using Kilz oil-based paint, and you can't just clean that with soap and water like you can normal latex paint. So the supplies you'll need are some mineral spirits, a shallow container wide enough so that you can force the bristles down into it, a little brush to brush out the bristles, some sort of can or empty jar to store the used liquid in, paper towels. I'm using some vinyl gloves. You really don't want mineral spirits on your skin or it could cause a rash and burn. So what you want to do is fill your container about a 1/4 inch full with mineral spirits. And then you're going to be dunking your brush in to just soak up all that mineral spirits. Just slosh it around back and forth. You want to soak it up all the way up to the ferrule, which is the metal part right here. Glass containers are probably the best container to use. I'm just using plastic because that's what I have right now. So you just want to soak it up until you get most of the paint off. So a shallow container works well, but I'm just going to be setting it on a paper towel here. And then you're just going to work all of that paint out. Now, most people use a metal brush, and I would too if I had it, but this is just a plastic nylon brush, which also works pretty good. So once you loosen all that paint, you're just going to dry the brush and bend the bristles. You really want to loosen up all the paint that's in there. You then want to empty out the container that you cleaned the brush in, dump it into your waste container, which is this paint can I'm using. Wipe it out, make sure it's clean. Then you just repeat the process. You're going to do that 3 or 4 times until the water starts to run clear. Give it a little twist. And then you want to make sure that you save, whenever you buy a paintbrush, save the boxes that they come in, because it helps keep the bristles in the direction they're supposed to be. So you want to slightly close it like that, pull it through to help it align the brushes, close it up. And then you're all set. Let that dry, and you should be good.